I am Vivian, 42 years old from Philippines. I am married. I have 3 children. I have 1 son, ages 13 years old, 2 daughters, ages 17 years old and 7 years old. My educational attainment was a college graduate. At present, I am currently teaching into a private school. I am teaching preschool ages 3 to 6 years old for 15 years because I love children. This is my first time applying as domestic helper. Although I do not have necessary experience for this job, but I am a fast learner and confident in my skills. I had an experience here in the Philippines as domestic helper. I took care a newborn baby from 1999 up to 2005. Besides of taking care of a newborn baby, I'm also willing to take care of an elderly. I can teach your kids how to sing, how to dance, how to ride, and how to read. I can sing them in a nursery rhyme like Baba Black Sheep and many more. I can also do a household chores like washing dishes, washing clothes, cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, going to market, taking care of the pets, and many more. My purpose for applying for this job is to be able to support my family here in the Philippines and send them money to provide their needs and give them a comfortable life. I can describe myself as kind, thoughtful, cheerful, honest, and trustworthy. To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm hardworking and obedient. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.